Woke up to the pitter-patter sound, raindrops dancing all around. Outside the window, skies were gray, but my little heart said, let's go play. Splash, splash, giggle and run. Dancing in puddles is so much fun. With my mama by my side, we twirl and laugh and slip and slide. Paper boats sailing down the lane, birds are chirping in the rain. Puppies barking, jumping high, raindrops falling from the sky. Wet and happy, come back in, dripping fur and silly grins. Mama brings me warm bamboo tea, snuggled up, just her and me. Splash, splash, giggle and run. Rainy day joy is never done. Now it's tea and cozy light as the raindrops fall through the night. Tucked in bed, the lights are low. My nose goes achoo, a tiny blow. Mama hugs me warm and tight, and I drift to dreams through the rain.